Have you ever heard someone say it's too expensive to eat healthy? Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. Regardless, if you look at the obesity crisis, it's becoming way more evident in 2024 that we need to get rid of this way of thinking. Take a look at an article in the Forbes magazine. It says that the obesity crisis is affecting 4 out of 10 Americans. And this is according to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention. This is the same article, and it says while weight and overall health aren't always connected, obesity is often considered a cause of multiple deadly chronic medical conditions, including type 2 diabetes, some forms of cancer, and heart disease. Listen, now is the best time to start taking your health seriously. Now is the best time to turn things around. You can do that. These stats are alarming. The average American spends 10% of their annual income on fast food. People who are making way more money are eating way more fast food than people who are earning lower incomes. It's a matter of investing. Investing in your health has to be the priority right now. It's not that eating healthy is expensive. You see, if you continue to let every single month go by, every single year go by without investing in something that's going to yield you a positive return, then what do you think is going to happen? That's all an investment is. You're investing your time, your money, your energy in hopes that you'll get a return. There's a proven formula. And if you ever want a chance to break free of this way of thinking and doing what the majority of people are doing and saying what the majority of people are saying, and you want to start getting ripped with this proven formula without doing it on your own, I'm going to be hosting my free Ripped 60 workshop. And in it, I'm going to be teaching you how to increase your metabolism, burn belly fat in the next 60 days by using this method. Now, this is for people who are busy, who don't have a lot of time to dedicate in their gyms, in their workouts, who don't really know what to do in their workouts. If that is you, then we're going to teach you the secrets to achieving that. I'm going to post the registration link in the descriptions below. And I want to let you know that I can only host a limited amount of people on this call. So secure your spot today. You really don't want to miss out on this. More and more of our money is being used for things that aren't really important. We call these liability, like your car note, your clothes, traveling, eating out. People would rather have a high and expensive lifestyle and say food is expensive. Hiring a personal trainer is too expensive. Look, you're not going to be around forever. And if you know that, and you know you've been letting your health slip, you need to take action sooner than later. One of the most powerful tips that I can give you is this: reframe your priorities. Instead of viewing your health and fitness as expenses or time-consuming tasks, see them as investments in your long-term well-being and happiness. Redirect your resources and your time from less beneficial activities like dining out or binge watching Netflix towards activities that are going to nourish your body and your mind. By changing your mindset, you're going to find it easier to prioritize your health and fitness, and ultimately breaking free from those limiting beliefs. If you found some value in today's video, please like and subscribe to my channel. We're going to be sharing more awesome content like this in the future. Thanks so much.